can we acknowledge how bad that WRX was?
Yeah, it was so bad.
Terrible.
It was terrible. And everybody thought, hey, you can't bring that back. It's going to have to be replaced. My name is Michael. I'm a detail specialist. I've probably been detailing now for about 30 years now. When the car came in, no one thought that it could be wet sanded or buffed. It was in that bad a shape that we thought we was actually gonna have to replace the hood and the tailgate. So what I did, I just tried to do a section of it, wet sanding it first, and then did a paint correction just to see if I could bring the shine back, and it worked out pretty good. So from there, that's when I wet sanded the whole car, and then did a paint correction to make it shine. I think the wet sand and the buff did it.